Hello students, you welcome. Today we shall learn about the new topic idioms. Idioms are the words or the phrases which give their different meaning apart from their literary meanings. The first idiom is ABC. ABC, these are the three first letters of English alphabet and it means a basic, general or only fundamental. Let us take the example of the idiom ABC. He doesn't know the ABC of cricket. It means to say the man who is here does not know anything or even the basic of the game of cricket. Next idiom is apple of discord. Apple of discord means the root of quarrel or the cause of the quarrel. Very fine example I am going to give you is Chandigarh is the apple of discord. The apple of discord between Haryana and Punjab. Between Haryana and Punjab, you can say. Okay. Next idiom is at 60s and 7s. It means in a state of disorder, means things are not very properly managed or properly planned. Let us take the example. When I enter the classroom, I found everything at 6s and 7s. At 6s and 7s. At 6s and 7s. Okay. Next idiom is apple pie order. It is almost opposite to the very first, to the prior idiom at 6s and 7s. Apple pie order means well managed or orderly, managed in a proper order. Okay. My mother, let us take the example. My mother likes everything at home. Everything at home in apple pie order. In apple pie order. And the next idiom is a utopian scheme. Any plan, any scheme that seems ideal but is only based on imagination. We can take the example. Our army doesn't work on utopian plans, but they work with discipline. Okay, the next idiom is a bed of roses. Bed of roses means a easy or comfortable situation. We can take the example. Life of girls in India. Life of girls in India is not a bed of roses. Is not a bed of roses. Okay. Next idiom, big gun. Big gun refers to an important, actually this is an important or powerful person. Take the example. Mr. Kapoor behaves as if he is a big gun. He is a big gun. Next is by hook and crook. It means by any means or by any method. Let us take the example. I want to pass the examination by hook and crook, by hook and a crook. It means to say the man wants to pass the examination by a method that may be good or that may be bad, by hook and a crook. Next is a by fits and a starts. It means to say very inconsistent or very irregular. Let us take the example. It rained by fits and starts, by fits and starts the whole night, the whole night. It means to say it rained during the whole night, but the rain was not a consistent. It was very inconsistent and irregular. The rain came by having some pauses in between. Next idiom is a bone of contention. It means a cause of dispute. Bone of contention and apple of discord, actually both the idioms are having the same meaning, means cause of a dispute. Let us take the example. Dowry is not the bone of contention between Mr. and Mrs. Mehta. It is a bolt from the blue. It means an unexpected or complete surprise. Let us take the example. The death of her father, the death of her father is a bolt from the blue, bolt from the blue to her family, to her family. Okay. Next is capital punishment, which means death penalty. Capital punishment means death penalty. Yes. Example: the jury announced the capital punishment to the murderer or to the murderers. Okay. Next is cold-blooded. Cold-blooded means mercilessly or very badly or without any mercy. Let us take the example. The gangster killed the old man cold-bloodedly. Okay, without any mercy. Next is a cock and bull story. It means a false description or false excuses. Let us take the example. When I inquired the student, he started to tell cock and bull story. Started to tell cock and a bull story. Okay. The last one is a child's play. Child's play means an easy task. Let us take the example. Teaching is not a child's play. Teaching is not a child's play. So students, today we learned 15 new idioms, and in the next video we shall learn more 15